Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by Kaneki. Today we have Light Yagami from Death Note. This is awesome. I would just like to say it. I'm just gonna show you the back of the box. There's like letters everywhere. I was only able to find the words ground and ting, which ting, I don't know if that's really even a word. Let's get do this.
What's the side look like?
Oh, sorry. This one has the figure on it. And this side has actual light on it. I really like this box, so I'm not going crazy with it. Ooh. Oh, that's a cool backdrop. There's a cross, and then there's Ryuk in it. The Shinigami.
Oh, I see it.
It's not creepy at all. That's terrifying. Okay. Let's get light out of containment. These are really good rubber bands, I just like to say. So first off, let's cut the tape. And this is sight. You guys can look at that while I struggle to get this out. That looks really nice.
There's a stand here too for him.
Look at that. That's a really good looking figure. There's a lot of detail, like very minute details, but they work. He's even got the new J's on. Those shoes are fresh. Just like to say. And I'll try to get his scythe out. So we got his scythe in his hands, and we got the stand on. So you just put his foot, this is SFC, through that hole, and you put this little curve on his heel there. That scythe looks wicked.
Mm-hmm.
That's sick. Pushing my scythe up a little bit. I don't think he's gonna want to stand. I just don't know if he's gonna. Oh, nice. Yeah, that looks really cool. I have nothing bad to say about this. This looks awesome. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Tell me what you think of the figure down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.